Hello everyone! Welcome to today's tutorial video. I am Kata and joining me is Enikő. Hello Enikő!
Hi Kata! Hello everyone!
In today's video we will talk about editing text in tables. We will take a look at some new features that help you customize your project documentation even more.
Let's get started.
What kind of table will we use as an example?
We will create a wall schedule for this project. Click on the Documentation tab, then select Place Schedule. From the architectural elements, I will choose the wall. First, I will sort the data level by level and the ID, then place the table on the floor plan.
How do we start editing?
Step 0 is to right-click the table and select Ungroup. Only then can we start editing the table.
How we can select a specific row, column or cell?
Double-click to select a cell. First click on the table, then on the cell. To switch cells, right-click on the table and then click on the new one. To deselect, click Close or press Escape. When you click inside the table, helper cells appear around it for easier editing. Clicking the top left cell selects the entire table. Clicking before a row or above a column shows extra options.
What kind of comments can be accessed here?
We can delete a selected row or column or insert new ones, either above or below a row or to the left or right of a column. You can also resize columns. If you click the Edit button, the selected row or column will be outlined and its header will update with the available settings.
What kind of settings are available?
If you've used Microsoft Excel before, these options will feel familiar because many comments work the same way.
Let's go through the options. Can we manually change the text created by the software?
Yes, we can. I will select a cell and click the text command. Here I can edit the text, insert special characters using the character table, and even create line breaks using Enter.
What text formatting options do we have?
We can make the text bold, italic, underlined, or strike-through. We can change the font and even adjust the character width, spacing, or height. I will set all table text to black using the text color command. Enter the header red. If we want to rotate the text by 90 degrees to save space, we can do that here and reverse it with the same command if needed.
How can we copy a cell once the settings are done?
There are two ways to copy. One just copies the text and you can paste it into another cell. The other copies the format. For example, let's copy the cell's appearance to another one. Here I will correct the pasted text.
Can we change the default black border color?
Absolutely. Under border color, you can choose any color. I also want to show all borders. This is the first option in the Borders section. I will also center all text. These settings can be applied to a single cell, a row, a column, or the whole table.
Are there any other settings available?
There is one more, the cell merging options. Select a cell and click Merge Cells to combine it with the one to its right. The program keeps the text of the cell you clicked on. You can also use Merge Across to join all cells in a row that are on the right side of the one you clicked on. To undo a merge, click Unmerged Cells.
Okay, and that's it for the editing text in tables.
As you can see, ARCHLine.XP gives you lots of tools not just to display data, but to make your documentation look great. Stay well structured and match your personal workflow.
We hope today's video was helpful. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our next tips and updates. Enjoy designing with ARCHLine.XP. Bye!
Goodbye!